The future has landed. And this is the game changer.
Welcome. In this prompt-to-video masterclass, you'll learn how to create hyper-realistic videos using prompts only. You mean I can create movie scenes with just words? This is unreal. Yes, you can now create any type of video on your phone or laptop just by writing text. Watch this.
Let's move! Move! Let no enemy stand! Hold the line! Move! We hold the line here!
Hold formation. Don't let the Kraken breach the barrier. Hi friends! Today, we're learning the ABCs with animals. A is for alligator. Let's spin the color wheel. What color is this? Yellow, like the sun.
Baba, how you take hold one woman for 50 years?
Now because I no get that at that time. If I get WhatsApp in 1972, I don't run come out from house.
I rise from the dust, I shine through the storm, baby. My voice, my power, my song.
Yes, so my people, better don't land for town. And this na the good news.
Now you can create amazing AI videos using your phone or laptop.
Yes, so you fit make any type of AI video with just your smartphone or laptop now and start making money on social media.
Ready to take control of your future and turn words into magic? Join Prompt to Video Masterclass today.
Fasten your seatbelt and grab the future.
Welcome to Prompt to Video Masterclass. I'll show you how to turn words into stunning videos, step by step.
Prompt to Video Masterclass. Heath, the future of content creation, has arrived.
Learn with Emenwa Global.